trying out a couple new products from Sephora. If you guys are interested in how I like them, then keep on watching. Alright, so today we are going to be doing a get ready with me, but also trying out new makeup. Majority of the stuff that I'm going to be using is going to be new makeup that I've never tried before. It's really hot in here, so I have the fan on, so hopefully you guys can't hear it, but I don't know. You might be able to. So for the primer, and yes, I realize I have two massive planets on my chin. It's okay. They'll be covered. No worries. Don't worry about it. We're good. It's fine. Honestly, here's the tea. I think it's because of wearing a mask, but you know, it's fine. So I'm going to be taking the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. And I'm just going to put that all over my face. I've used this before, so it's not new. Just letting you know. I want to put these on too. I just got these from Amazon. And if you know me, I needed them more than anything right now. I feel like Bailey Sarian. If anyone knows who Bailey Sarian is, can you be my friend? Because I love Bailey Sarian. I look crazy, but it's fine. Now I'm just gonna take the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For Under Eye Primer. And as you can see, I got my lashes done, thank God. So RIP to any eyeshadow looks. RIP, because I don't really wear eyeshadow when I have my lashes done, so. It was fun while it lasted. So the foundation that I'm going to be trying is the Giorgio Armani Neo Nude True to Skin Natural Glow Foundation. And I got the shade 2, which is the same shade I use in the Luminous Silk Foundation. It's the same shade I use, so hopefully it works. This is it. I heard that it's kind of like a tinted moisturizer, so we'll see how it is. It already is looking a little yellower. Just taking my beauty blender. So that covered literally none of my spots, but I can say on a normal day, I would like this. And then I'm also going to be trying out the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer. And this is in the shade Butter Biscuit, which I love that name. I think it's so cute. And I'm just going to bring this down my neck. But I'm also going to be using my go-to Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick in the shade Mink. So I'm going to contour and bronze. This is the shade, by the way. I think it's really nice. I think it's the second lightest. It's not the lightest one. And the two concealers that I'm going to be using, I'm going to see which one is darker and which one's lighter. I have used this a couple times. I do really like it. This is the Hourglass. I don't know what it's called. It's an Hourglass concealer. I don't think they have any other ones. This is it right here, and it's in the shade Cream. And I want to see if it's lighter than this one. I just got this. This is the Dior Forever Skin Correct. And I got it in the shade 1CR. So let's see. And I know this one is like a huge comparison to the Tarte Shape Tape because of the doe foot. I know it's like a really big doe foot. Let's see. So I'm gonna actually see which one I should use under my eyes and which one I should use on my face. Okay, Dior on my face. So this is the Dior, and then this is the Hourglass. I'm gonna start with the Dior. I just love a big applicator. We are going to just blend it all out. And then for the powder, I'm going to be using I'm going to butcher this. I don't know how to pronounce it. Shiseido. It's like a Tokyo brand. I don't know. It's got like Tokyo on it, so. But it's the Invisible Silk Loose Powder, and it's in the radiant finish. So I like my powders not to be like super, super matte. That's just me. So I'm just gonna set my under eyes with this. So I am going to set the rest of my face with the Derma Blend Professional Illuminating Banana Powder. Just because it's a little bit darker than this, it's not as brightening. Now I'm gonna bronze, and I'm gonna be using the Winky Lux bronzer in the shade Mocha. I'm just gonna take my contour, and I'm just gonna contour. And then I'm just gonna take my Aloe Rose Water Spray. And for eyebrows, I'm gonna be trying this Gucci Powder Eyebrow Pencil. I've never tried this before. I think it's new too. I literally, when I purchased all this stuff, I just went to the new section at Sephora on their app. But it looks so cute, and it also comes with a little Gucci sharpener, which is so cute. I love their packaging. I think it just looks, I don't know, it looks like you're spending money on it, you know? So I'm just gonna test this out. It has a little spoolie. And then the other side, it has the color. Oh, this is in the shade 6 Noir, which is basically black. So we're gonna try that out. So that's how they look. I am going to set them though. I'm going to be using the Ulta Beauty Brow Tint in Deep to set them. Okay, and then for blush, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush in the shade Rosé Latte. And I got this because I feel like it's very natural looking. It's just kind of like a rosy color. I'm just gonna take this angled brush and use that. It's really pigmented. I just found that out. as you can see on my other cheek. We'll blend it out though, don't worry. Wow, it's really pigmented. Okay, just try to blend this side out for sure. And then I'm just gonna use my Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. And then for highlight, I'm just gonna be taking the Amarezzi Anastasia highlighter. I think that's how you pronounce her name. I could be wrong. This is probably my favorite highlighter though. That's not Dior. I actually have a backup of this, that's why I like it so much. To blend that out. And then because I do have eyelash extensions, I'm just going to be taking mascara on my lower lashes. And then for lips, I'm just going to be taking the Grande Lips in this shade Sunbaked Sedona. This is my favorite lip gloss ever. Alright, and that is the finished look. Love the two new concealers, and I do like the cream products too. They were a lot more pigmented than I thought they were gonna be, so that's always a plus in my book. And then also the foundation was okay. I think it was a little more like a tinted moisturizer, which is fine. I mean, like, I use two concealers usually, so I'm not hating that at all, but I think it looks really good. And as you can see, it's just so much faster getting ready with eyelash extensions. But I really love how everything turned out. I like the eyebrow product too. I think it's really interesting because it does kind of go on like a powder even though it's in a pencil, which I thought was kind of weird, but it's kind of cool. I think for the next video I am going to be doing my nails again though. I just want to cut them a little bit. I'm just over this like huge long length, and I get like that sometimes, and then once I cut them, I want to be like, oh my god, I want my long nails back again. So yeah, but I hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.